4 years ago, pandemic, which is the COVID-19, emerged into this world. And we all are clueless about this particular vaccine and the particular disease. But after a few months, a hope emerged and Covishield and different kind of vaccines came to the market. And people were in rush, and at that point of time they want to take these medicines. But what is happening after 4 years? After 4 years, it can be seen that so many side effects are emerging due to the Covishield and other vaccines. Hello friends, welcome to the in news series of Drishti IAS. I am Ritu and today's session is about AstraZeneca and what it has accepted in the court regarding Covishield vaccine. So this session is important for GS3 perspective as well as GS2 perspective. Moving towards the points of discussion part. First of all, we are going to discuss the news. Then we are going to discuss the case, that what was the case. Then we are going to discuss the TTS in details, that this is the side effects of Covishield. And after that, we are going to discuss practice question for prelims. Before that, you have to like, share and subscribe to the Drishti IAS channel. Moving towards the news part. So AstraZeneca, which is a British pharma company, has accepted in the court that there is a rare side effects of Covishield vaccine, and it has been reported by Telegraph UK. So that's why we are with this news, that what would be the side effects of this Covishield vaccine, because in India most of the population have injected with the Covishield vaccine, and if there is a side effects, why it is not seen on the Indian population. So this news we are going to cover in today's session. Moving to the next slide. Next slide is about that what was the case. So AstraZeneca in collaboration with the University of Oxford had developed AZD1222 vaccine after the outbreak of COVID-19, and in India and other low middle income countries it was manufactured and supplied by the name of Covishield. So in their country the name is AZD1222 and in India it is named as Covishield by Serum Institute of India. And they have taken the license from the university and also Swedish British drug maker. So after the licensing, they have manufactured and supplied to the other countries as well, and they are injected with Covishield. And while it is contesting the claim, AstraZeneca admitted in a legal proceedings in which so many cases has filed regarding the side effects of the Covishield, and they had admitted this particular thing that yes, they have this kind of side effects from the Covishield vaccine, and particularly the TTS. In detail we are going to cover up what is the TTS, but they have accepted that this is the side effects from this Covishield, but it is rare in nature. And 51 cases have been lodged in the High Court, and there is a one case which is very much famous, which is a kind of first case regarding the Covishield, which is a Jamie Scott case. And what this case about? In this case, the patient brain, there is an injury in brain of the patient, and also the blood clot and bleed in the brain. And after that, the patient has filed, and other patients who are suffering from such kind of the side effects, they have filed 51 cases against the Covishield, and they had claimed against this particular AstraZeneca that they want their compensation. They also want to hold it accountable for the loss, not just monetary loss, but also the humanitarian loss which has been caused through this particular vaccine. So this was the case, and after this case, what had happened, that AstraZeneca had admitted this thing that yes, there is a side effects from this particular vaccine. Then coming to the TTS. So what is TTS? So according to the Department of Health and Aged Care, Government of Australia, TTS involves blood clotting, which is thrombosis, and combined with low platelets, which is thrombocytopenia. So that's why together they are called as TTS. And it says that blood clots can appear in different parts of the body, but particularly to the brain and also the abdomen, which is the belly. And there was a link between the AstraZeneca vaccine and a rare but serious side effects called thrombosis. So this particular department has claimed this, and it also claimed that younger population are very much vulnerable to this TTS, and it can occur after 4 to 42 days of taking medicines or vaccines. And what symptoms include? So there are different symptoms like severe persistent headache that did not improve with the regular painkillers, and blurred vision, confusion, seizure, weakness of face or limbs, shortness of breath, chest pain, severe abdominal pain, leg swelling, unexplained pinprick rashes where the vaccine has been injected. So these are the prospect side effects of this particular vaccine. And as I have already told you, the after 4 and 42 days. Now here comes the question that is this thing kind of side effects is also evident in India? Though many experts have suggested that the heart diseases are rising in the country and also all over the world, it's maybe because of the different kind of vaccine which has been taken against the coronavirus. And in India, maybe the heart attacks are the reasons after effects of this Covishield vaccines, but it has been not proven yet. And also experts have also suggested that these kind of TTS kind of thing is not much evident in the country because of the immunity structure. It is more evident in Europe but not in India, and that's why these kind of cases are not common to this country, but in Europe it is common. That's why the case has been also filed. So this is the case of India, and we have already understood the TTS, that it is a blood clotting and the low platelets of the bloods. And then we have this question. The question is regarding the Covishield vaccine, and the first statement is it is inactivated pathogen based vaccine, and the second one is the Serum Institute of India produced it. Here they are asking the correct statement, and your options are 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So kindly answer in the comment section. I hope you like this session. If you have any queries related to this session, kindly ask in the comment section. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.